2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR arrives as a stunning reinterpretation of one of the most iconic racing legends in automotive history. And today on Drive Future, we dive deep into what makes this reborn machine so extraordinary. This new version brings the spirit of classic motorsport into a modern era defined by advanced engineering, electrified performance, and luxurious craftsmanship. At first glance, the design pays homage to its historic lineage, yet every curve, line, and proportion has been carefully reimagined to deliver a machine that feels both timeless and fuels of fires. Your Sao. The elongated hood, low-slung silhouette, sculpted fenders, and sleek aerodynamic surfaces come together to form a shape that feels like a piece of rolling art. The front fascia features a redesigned grille that echoes the original racing icon while integrating contemporary elements such as digital LED lighting and active aerodynamic features. The result is a car that instantly communicates heritage, performance, and prestige. Step inside, and the cabin tells a story of old-world craftsmanship meeting modern luxury. The interior uses premium leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber in a way that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. The cockpit layout places the driver at the center of the experience, with a digital display that blends retro styling with advanced connectivity. Every switch, every stitch, and every material choice reinforces the idea that this car is not just about speed, but about celebrating the art of driving. The seats are shaped for comfort and control, designed to hold the driver securely through sharp corners while offering long-distance refinement. Subtle ambient lighting adds to the atmosphere without overpowering the classic racing mood, and every touchpoint is engineered with precision. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR embraces modern performance technology while keeping the spirit of its racing DNA alive. A high-performance hybrid powertrain is at the heart of this machine, pairing a finely tuned internal combustion engine with an advanced electric motor system. This combination delivers breathtaking acceleration, instant torque response, and remarkable efficiency. Engineers have focused on delivering a power band that feels alive, giving the driver a sense of control and excitement that mirrors the raw character of classic racing cars. The exhaust note has been carefully tuned to deliver a sound that feels authentic and thrilling, blending the deep mechanical tones of the engine with the smooth whine of electrification. The performance capabilities of this new 300 SLR are nothing short of extraordinary. Acceleration from 0 to 60 is expected to be achieved in well under 3 seconds, and the top speed places it among the fastest road cars ever produced. Advanced aerodynamics help the car remain stable at high speeds, with active elements that adjust automatically to driving conditions. The suspension system is engineered for precision, using adaptive technology to balance comfort with razor-sharp handling. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the 300 SLR offers an engaging experience that connects driver and machine. Technology plays a major role in this modern reinterpretation. US. The infotainment system integrates advanced navigation, real-time performance, telemetry, and seamless connectivity with mobile devices. Voice controls, gesture recognition, and driver assist features provide convenience without diluting the driving experience. As safety technologies include advanced sensors, predictive braking systems, and stability control programs that work in harmony with the car's performance dynamics. Every system is designed to enhance control and confidence behind the wheel, whether on a spirited drive or a relaxed cruise. What makes this car truly special is the way it blends history with innovation. The original 300 SLR was a racing icon, a symbol of speed, engineering, excellence, and motorsport dominance. The 2026 version does not simply replicate the past, it reinterprets it for a new generation. The design language, the engineering philosophy, and the driving experience all pay tribute to a golden era of motorsport, while pushing boundaries in technology and sustainability. This car is not only a celebration of heritage, but also a statement about the future of performance vehicles. Every aspect of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR reflects meticulous attention to detail. From the handcrafted interior materials to the aerodynamic sculpting of the body, every element has a purpose. Engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure that the car delivers both performance and emotion. The balance between raw mechanical feel and modern refinement is what sets this machine apart. It's not just about numbers on a spec sheet, it's about how the car makes you feel when you drive it. As the automotive world moves toward electrification and digital innovation, the 300 SLR stands as a reminder that performance and passion can evolve together. It shows that heritage can inspire the future without being trapped by the past. For enthusiasts, this car represents a dream come true, the return of a legendary nameplate, reimagined for modern roads and modern expectations. Uses. For new generations, it introduces the magic of a classic icon through the lens of contemporary engineering. On the road, the experience is expected to be unforgettable. The steering is precise and communicative, giving the driver a sense of connection to the road that few cars can match. The power delivery is immediate, pushing you back into your seat with thrilling force. Every corner feels like an invitation to push further, to explore the limits of both the car and yourself. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR is not just transportation, it's an experience crafted for those who truly love driving. As Drive Future continues to explore the most exciting vehicles on the horizon, the arrival of boards, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR stands as one of the most anticipated moments in modern automotive history. It's a machine that brings together beauty, speed, technology, and tradition in a way that few cars ever achieve. For enthusiasts, collectors, and dreamers alike, this is more than just a car. It's a legacy reborn, a masterpiece on wheels, and a glimpse into what the future of performance can truly be.